Hello, Chef here with yet another exciting video for you. So, more on vanilla beans. I love vanilla in my baking, and I use it for so many different things. And I was asked to review this new vanilla product. Our sponsor has made a deal with one of the biggest vanilla producers in the world, and they're launching new gallons of extract. So I got a couple of them I'm going to review here for you. So we got Indonesian Blend Pure Vanilla Extract. And we've got, what's this one? Organic Brazilian Pure Vanilla Extract. These are single fold. They use a ton of beans, and they do it under a special extraction process. It's really, really good vanilla. I often make my own as well, but some people don't want to make their own, especially if you're producing ice cream, beer, other products, or you want to just put this into smaller bottles and gift it. So these are available in gallons. We're going to do a quick tasting of these two, and you can learn a whole lot more about it at the sponsor right there. Yeah, just find the gourmet section and look at all the vanilla products they have to offer. Organic Brazilian. Wow, I've not been to Brazil, but it's on my list. Oh, smells amazing. A bit more floral and tropical smelling by the color. It's darker, possibly richer than the other two. And a quick flavor profile here. 1, 2, 3 drops. Wow. And again, on the Rice Krispie square, 3 drops. Smells amazing. Yes. All right, I'm going to rate these in my order of favorites. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. I've got the organic Brazilian, got the Madagascar bourbon beans that I produced, and I got the Indonesian blend of vanilla. Learn more about these gallons at the sponsor. Oh yeah. And don't forget, while you're at the sponsor, check out their butcher blocks. These blocks have been going for a long time, and I only get them at the sponsor because they're made in the USA. Rock maple, it's the best you can get, and Chef loves to cut on it. It's really, really nice, and it doesn't really wear out. This one here is going now, I think this block is about 30 years old. Rock maple, we oil it once a month. Yes. Smash the love button right there. Subscribe and learn more at your sponsor. Oh yeah. It's going to be good. Once again, my #1 pick was the Brazilian. Put just a little bit more on there. Try that out. Yes! Okay. Got some here. Beautiful color. Probably a bit stronger. Keep in mind this was made with brandy. Alright. First I'm going to try the pear. Just a couple drops. Wow. Finished with a Rice Krispie square. 1, 2, 3 drops. Powerful. Love it. Madagascar. Wow. Economical. Great gift. Yeah, let's continue. Chef here once again. I got this organic Brazilian pure vanilla gallon bottles. Wow. And also I got this Indonesian blend pure vanilla extract gallon bottles. Wow. This stuff is amazing. Learn more at your sponsor right there. Oh yeah, it's going to be good. Get cooking, get baking, and have a beautiful day. Just leave a little bit off the neck here for fermentation, and also because every now and then you're going to give a little shake. You're going to tip it back and forth. You want those air bubbles to move around the seed specks, which you can already see. So if you run out of time and you forget to make these months in advance, simply order the beans and order a gallon of the vanilla extract. Get some bottles, and you still have amazing homemade holiday gifts. Anyone who cooks will love it. Biggest vanilla producers in the world, and they're launching new gallons of extract. So I got a couple of them I'm going to review here for you. So we got Indonesian blend pure vanilla extract. So you're buying a Japanese knife online? Do your research. Professional chefs use our knives around the world. Check it out. Finish with a little bit of fresh grated Parmigiano Reggiano. Wow. Hopefully, with proper care and maintenance, they will last you for decades. Wow. The perfect cooking surface. So as a professional chef, I get asked all the time, what is a safe cutting board? This is the one you've seen on TV. Professional chefs use them, and there's a good reason why. It's going to be good.
Wow, the Jambus Cucina Elegante, handcrafted with the finest American hardwoods, food service grade stainless steel. The Elegante features 1.5-inch thick butcher block, available in several sizes and with several options. Call your sponsor and save money. Ask for a discount.
In my kitchens, I have several. This one here is going on, oh, I think this end grain rock maple is over 20 years old now. It's been cut on 1,000,000 times. The knife does not hurt it. It's the hardest surface you want for your knife contact like this. Cutting, chopping, slicing, dicing will not hurt the knife blade, will not hurt the block. Check your sponsor there. They're having a free shipping sale. Exceptional.
Select Hard Rock Maple is the chef's choice. Choose from several sizes, with a juice groove, without the juice groove, reversible, charcuterie board, solid walnut, solid cherry, even walnut rustic grain, reversible, round, square, rectangle, free shipping. Oh, it's gonna be good. Wow, the Jambus Cucina Elegante, handcrafted with the finest American hardwoods, food service grade stainless steel. The Elegante features 1.5-inch thick butcher block, available in several sizes and with several options. Call your sponsor and save money. Ask for a discount. Oh yeah, it's gonna be good. Boost blocks. Buy the best the first time. Save money.
You're gonna like it. yeah, it's gonna be good. Oh, so nice to cut on. Contact the sponsor. They're having a sale, and I know there's free shipping as well. Professional cutting boards, chopping blocks, butcher blocks, custom sizes,